If you want to change the name that shows up on your GoDaddy CPanel email, you can do it in just a few minutes, and in this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step. This is useful if you want your emails to look more professional, update a personal name to a business name, or simply make sure the sender name displays correctly when people receive your messages. If this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to GoDaddy and sign into your account. Make sure you're logging into the account that has the hosting and email service connected to it, because that's where you'll manage the cPanel email settings. Once you're signed in, look for My Products. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of your hosting, domains, and email services in one place. Under Your Hosting section, find Web Hosting and click Manage. This will take you into the control area for your hosting plan. From there, open cPanel. cPanel is where your email accounts and server-level tools are managed, so this is the place you need to be to update your email display settings. Now that you're inside cPanel, look for Email and then click Email Accounts. Here you should see the email addresses that are connected to your hosting. Find the specific email account whose name you want to change. If you have more than one address, take your time and make sure you select the correct one. Next, click Check Email next to that account. This opens the Webmail interface, and in this case, you'll be using Roundcube. Roundcube is where you can change the display name that shows when you send emails. So once Roundcube opens, you're in the right place to update a date, the sender identity. Inside Roundcube, look for the settings icon, usually shown as a gear or cog symbol. Click it, then go to Identities. This section controls how your email identity appears to recipients. If you have one identity, select it. If there are multiple identities, choose the one tied to the email address you want to edit. Now you'll see the display name field. This is the name people see in their inbox when they receive your message. Click into that field and replace the current name with the new one you want to show. For example, you might change it from a personal name to your business name, your brand name, or a support team name depending on how you want to appear. After that, click Save to apply the change. This step is important because without saving, your new display name won't actually update. Once it's saved, the name associated with that email identity will now appear in outgoing messages from Roundcube. If you want to double-check the change, send yourself a test email or send a message to another inbox you can access. That's the easiest way to confirm the sender name is showing correctly. If you still see the old name, refresh the page, make sure you edited the correct identity, and confirm that the changes were saved properly. And that's it. You've now changed the name in your GoDaddy CPanel email. It's a simple update, but it can make a big difference in how professional your emails look. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tutorials, troubleshooting tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.